Alright everyone, it's the holiday season, which means it's time to show out in the kitchen and show your family what you can really do. And if you were lucky enough to be picked to bring something to Thanksgiving or Christmas this year, well hey, this is the perfect recipe for you. Today we are doing sweet potato cheesecake. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so today we are making a sweet potato cheesecake. That's right, sweet potato cheesecake. Mostly because my sister done tagged me 100 times in social media. Like, when I say plenty of times, she tagged me so much, it's unreal. But yeah, I'm making a sweet potato cheesecake to bring to the dinner this year. And hey, I know they gonna love it because they love my baking. I done picked up the torch from grandma. She still bakes, but they kind of rely on me to do a lot of the sweets now. So yeah, I'm gonna show them up this year with the sweet potato cheesecake and show them like, hey, y'all can completely pass the torch to me if you want now. So alright y'all, let's get into making the sweet potato cheesecake, and we're gonna use my regular cheesecake recipe that I've posted twice before about. So the recipe will still be in the description down below, but just follow along with this video and it'll be easy. So let's start off with making our graham cracker crust first. Alright, making the usual graham cracker crust, you know, we got about 2 packs of graham crackers that's gonna be going into our food processor. You know, go ahead and break them up a little bit. Graham crackers in, and now we're gonna process these until they are blended down. Right, next is add again the sugar and the melted butter. And pulse to blend everything until they become a sand texture. Now you are gonna have some parts that's not gonna evenly mix, as you can see right there by that little line. All you're gonna do is go around and just mix it in. Take your springform pan, spray with non-stick cooking spray. Take your graham cracker mixture, put into the springform. And now using either a flat bottom cup or a flat bottom measuring cup, press out the graham crackers. And now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. And then once we take it out, we're gonna let it cool off completely. Graham cracker crust is baked. It's gonna be nice and golden brown like this. Now let this cool off before putting in your cheesecake. Now let's make our sweet potato filling. Right here, I have some already done sweet potatoes. Now you can either boil these or roast these, preferably roasted because that'll do more flavor, but I boil these because it's quicker. Adding the sweet potatoes to the food processor, and everyone, look, I know everyone does not have a food processor. Yes, it does make everything easier, but if you don't have one, you can use a tabletop counter mixer or a hand mixer. It will all work the same, but food processor makes everything easy. I also have sugar that's going in. This is a brown sugar cinnamon mixture. Nutmeg. Room temperature softened butter. Like, please let this be room temperature and softened. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I also have 1 egg, but you know, we're not gonna add in the egg yet. We're gonna blend this all together to make sure, you know, we can taste it properly, because of course you can't eat raw eggs. So we're gonna blend this to taste it, then we go add in the egg. Alright, let's do a quick taste of it. Tastes good. Now we can add in our egg. Just gonna add this to the bowl right now. Now let's get to working on our cheesecake mixture. Now let's work on a cheesecake filling. Take 1 packet of cream cheese, sugar, cornstarch, and beat together for 3 minutes until creamy. Alright, once smooth and creamy like that, you blend in your remaining cream cheese 1 package at a time. Make sure you're scraping the size of the bowl each time you add in a packet of cream cheese. Really, get in there. As all the packets of cream cheese are mixed in, pour in your remaining cup of sugar. Increase mixing speed to medium. Add in your vanilla extract. Add in your eggs, 1 at a time, and blend each one in well. Finally add in the cream and blend until it's fluffy like a cloud. And once done, it should look all pillowy just like this. Now what we are about to do is take half of our cheesecake filling and put it in a separate bowl. And now take our sweet potato filling and we're gonna blend it in with this cream cheese. And now we're gonna blend this together. And once done mixing, it's gonna look like this. Now let's assemble our cheesecake. Let's start assembling. Put in our cheesecake filling. And we're gonna reserve a little bit for just the top of the cheesecake to help give it that swirl pattern. Our sweet potato filling. Now it is gonna press in on it a little bit, but that's okay. What I've seen most people do is they'll freeze the cheesecake part before putting on the sweet potato filling, but to each their own. Hey, this is what we are doing. If you have to, use a spatula to smooth everything out. Take our last little bit of cheesecake that we had left and just place it around certain tops of it and use whatever you can to swirl it. Place it in a deep enough or shallow pan. Add in hot water until it reaches 1 inch up the side of the pan. Now bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then after that 1 hour 30 minutes, cut the oven off, crack the oven door, and leave it in there for another hour to pretty much help it finish setting up in the middle and to not overcook it. Alright. And after it's done baking, everyone, this is how it looks. Y'all, this looks amazing. Just look at this. There is a little bit of cracking here and there, but that's okay because once it settles, those little cracks are gonna seal up. But y'all, it looks good. So now we are gonna wrap this up and sit this in the fridge for at least 6 hours, preferably overnight. Take our plastic wrap and just start wrapping it. All wrapped. Now see you in 46 hours. And it's been more than 6 hours now with the cheesecake sitting overnight. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Just cut off the plastic a little bit and just break it open. Oh, y'all, it looks amazing. Just look at that. Oop, there we go, yeah, just look at that. Now, as much as you would like to just go ahead and release it from the springform pan, yeah, don't do that. You gotta like help separate it from the sides first. So just using a simple butter knife, a spatula, whatever you get, just gonna run it along the inside. It's separated from the pan. Let's go ahead and pop the springform. Take your time. And yeah. Ooh. Now let's go ahead and reveal it. Alright, everyone, and here it go, removed from the springform pan or from the side. Just look at that. It baked up and it built up so nicely. Now I ain't gonna lie, a little bit of my bottom is a little soggy. I allowed some water to get in. I thought I wrapped it good. All right, let's go ahead and remove it from the bottom. And then we're gonna slice into it after we decorate the top with just a little bit more stuff. Now when it comes to decorating the top of it, most people, they'll do a whole layer of frosting over the top of it, or they'll do different dollops. They'll even put pecans on this with caramel. We're gonna do pipe frosting, caramel, and probably some pecans. We're just gonna take this dollop right here and do that. Anybody else likes to build up their dollops like this? I just feel like it helps do perfect symmetry better. And now we're just gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Not a lot, just sprinkle. Hit some with a couple chopped pecan pieces, homemade caramel drizzle, and we're just gonna go back and forth across the top of it. And there you have it. On sweet potato cheesecake, let's cut into it. And then, ooh, that graham cracker just. All right, let's pull it out. No, little piece, no, don't break off. All right, broke off. Ooh, but y'all, this looks great. Just look at that. Now from that side, it looks like the cheesecake isn't really there. But you turn it this way, and boom, there the cheesecake go. Ooh-wee. Let's go ahead and try it out. Take our piece, sit it on the plate, and now we just gonna add, for a little razzle dazzle, some more caramel syrup. Well, glaze. Oh yeah, now that's how it's supposed to look. All right, everyone, here we are at the tasting part, and just look at this, y'all. Like, just look at this. Ooh, hold on, wait. Get a zoom in up over for you. No, capture the food. There you go. Yeah, that's right. Capture the food. Capture that food. Now let's try it out. All right. Take that first bite. Just, ooh, come on, focus in. Yeah. Bon appetit. Bottoms up. Yo! Oh my. Yo, that came out so much better than I expected. Oh my God. This is amazing. All the flavors blend together so well. The cheesecake, the sweet potato that was blended in with the cheesecake filling, that's why it looks so fluffy and airy. And come on, there you go. Just, it's so light and everything is just melting in your mouth. Oh my God. I think I just had a food orgasm. On the real, if you show up with that to any family function or a holiday food gathering, you're gonna be the star of the show. Y'all, this is amazing. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this holiday video. Hey, you can really make this, besides the holidays, you can make this whenever. Like, it's just that good. You don't gotta wait till the holidays to make this, but if you make this, you're gonna be the star of the show at the party. Well, all right, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video, comment, share it, and turn on post notifications for when I post. I love y'all. Thank you for supporting me. Peace.